Thank you so much for the introduction. Let us dive right into the topic of the discussion today. Software defined is really a trend these days. In today's world, there are many technologies that are being software defined. And this has been really possible because of advancements in technology. At the bottom of the stack, you have the operating system, then the virtualization layer, which actually kicked off original software-defined compute using virtual machines, etc. Then came containers, orchestrators for the containers, such as K3s, Kubernetes, and these technological advancements paved the path to really define a software-defined data center. We have seen that software-defined networking and software-defined storage are becoming the norm these days. Now we think the time is prime to really move software-defined trend to the embedded edge as well. We're already seeing software-defined initiatives in different verticals such as automotive, industrial systems, and we expect the same trend in cameras as well.